Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. All right, let's mark this up here. Just move these up. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. All right. All right, perfect. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Let's go out to a higher time frame. All right, I'm going to tell you where I like this here. Look at this support right here. Look at this floor right here. Look at this floor right here. Okay? Look at this floor right here. If she comes down into that area, that's where I'd like to get in. Okay? Obviously, I'm looking for a buy. Looking for a buy. 35,200, 35,200. 35,200. 35,200 is where I'm looking at. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So 35,200. $35,200 is kind of where I'm looking at. 35,200 is kind of where I'm looking at. We'll be taking a buy. We will be taking a buy. Hope everybody's doing well today. We're actually not having a bad week at all. We did, I believe, on Tuesday, we got into a little bit of trouble, but again, we took a lesson. I think we had about a 2% loss that day, 2% lesson, and then yesterday we came back, got our 5%. Monday got our 5%, so we're about 1% negative on the week, and hopefully we can get that back today, and a little bit extra on top. So let's see what we can do. But again, I'm still going to obviously stick to my 1%. That's the focus. I did do some trading last night as well, so I am a little bit ahead of the game on this account. Again, we're just waiting for her to kind of come back and pull down. Okay. So we do have existing home sales coming up in about 5 minutes. CB leading index in about 5 minutes as well. Okay, if you look at Forex Factory. So again, we do have some U.S. news, natural gas storage at 10:30. So one of them is an orange box. So we'll see what happens on that. We did see a spike. Obviously, unemployment claims was actually better than forecasted. So let's see what happens. Let's see if we can get it to pull back down here. See if we can get her to pull back down here. Okay, we are 5 minutes away from this 15.5 hour candle and hour candle. Okay, so again, something could happen here. So again, if we can pull back down into this area, 35,200 is really what I'm looking at. And if you go out to this 15, excuse me, you'll see that there's a floor right here, guys. There's a floor right here. And so again, if we can come and retest, boom, come and retest, that's what we're looking at. Good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. Good morning, SMS Management. Let's go. So if we get a pullback, down into this area, and again, the reason I like that area is if you go down to a higher time frame, okay, you can actually see support. Okay, you can actually see support here. So you see a floor here. Okay, you see a floor here. We just broke that floor. And now we wait for this retest. Okay, we're going to wait for this retest about 50 points. We'll see if we can get that. We may have to move this up a little bit, but we'll see. All right. We can come into this wick as well. But again, we are flying right now, so I'm not sure that we're going to come down. My initial point was right here at 35,200, but that's 50 points, almost 55 points now. So again, I'm looking at maybe right here at this 25 point mark. Okay, at the top of this wick here. Okay, so this is kind of where I'm looking at. But she's currently flying right now, and again, you don't want to just let's jump in. She's flying, she's going up. Again, I don't trade like that. I mean, you can do whatever you like, obviously, but I don't trade like that. So we're looking at right here. This is what we're looking at. So I'm going to look at this pullback here. Okay. Okay. We got great volume this morning. I like the volume. We have great volume this morning. Like I said, one of the things that I've been seeing with US30 is just if you look at the size of the candles, they just haven't been that big. There hasn't been a whole lot of volume. There's been a lot of consolidation. Okay, but again, lately we've been seeing some big moves. Boom, big move. Boom, big move. But again, before consolidation. So again, you can literally kind of mark up where she's consolidating. You kind of mark up where she's consolidating, and then obviously take that break or that fall, the short or the long, and really play that. So this is kind of where I'm looking at here. This 35,225, 35,225. 35,225. Let's see, Forex Factory. So we literally have we have news in about a minute. So we're going to see what this news does. We can see what the news did earlier, the 8:30, the 9:30 candle. You can see how it jumped up. So obviously, home sales, unemployment rates were actually better. Were actually less than what was projected. So anytime that there's a projection and anything comes in less than that projection, especially when it comes to something like unemployment claims, we're going to see a jump. So we're going to see in 42 seconds what happens here. See what these home sales look like. Existing home sales looks like it's a positive. I mean, again, we're jumping, we're rallying right now. It could just be a rally before this news in the next 30 seconds. So let's just be patient. See if we can get a pull. And again, guys, this is a big pullback. Let's just see what happens. If we can get to the top of this wick, pullback would be nice. All right, let's see how far we can pull down. Let's see how far down we can pull down. If we can pull down into kind of the 35-30 area, it's a little far. All right, if we can. 35,250, 35,250. Anything lower than 35,250, I would be good with. $35,250, 35,250. Let's see. Come on down. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. See if we come all the way down. I doubt it. Oh, here we go. Big drop. Actually, you know what? I'm going to be patient here and wait. All right. Maybe that was it. All right, so 35,250. 35,250 is where I'm at. 35,250 is where I'm at. And again, we may have to move our target as well. And again, guys, like I said, this is kind of like hunting. Where obviously, you set up your stand. You wait for her to come into your zone. But again, if she continues to move, you track her. Okay, we track her. We then set up, and then we wait for her to make her move back into our sights. And that's what this is. We're not going to rush anything. We're just going to be patient and wait. But again, we if she continues to climb, we will definitely continue to follow, not chase, but follow and track, and reset up. So we're at 75. We're at 75. We need about 25-point pullback. 25-point pullback. Come on down. So I want her to come down. So let's see what we can do. Yeah, see, I really like this 32.25 area, but again, I just don't see her coming down that far right now. All right, here we go. Let me get rid of this here. we can even get down into the 60s, if we get down into the 60s, I would say closer to 60. So 35 to 60, I definitely will be good with that, because then if she falls another 10, I can take a 10-point pullback. Here we go. We're at 69, 65, 66, 67. Let's go. Keep it dropping. If we can get under 60, perfect. We do got 4 minutes left on this candle. We have 4 minutes left on this candle. Come on, big drop. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And again, guys, I'm just leaned into my phone right now. I'm just leaned into my phone, just watching this thing, waiting for this thing to drop. We're at 80 right now. We're at 80 right now. So we can drop down into the 60s. I would say low 60s. Here we go. 73, 72, 74, 75. Let's go. Pull down 70, 70, 69. Here we go. Pull down into the low 60s. Here we go. 68, 67, 66. Come on down. 66. $69, $70, $71. Come on down. We're being patient right now. I don't know that she's going to come all the way down, guys, to this 35 250. She's bouncing around, I would say 65, 75 kind of range right now. So again, if we can get a pull down into like the low 60s, I'm in. 66, 67. Come on down, come down a little bit further. Come on. Bounce back up to 75. I'll take that damn 10 points. Shoot. Come on. 71. There we go. If we get back down 66, 67, somewhere around there. Here we go. 68. 66, 65. There we go. 66. Boom. Boom. I'm in. I'm in. I got 2 open. I'm going to set these at 10 points. All right, pull it perfect. We are set at 10 points. So we're going to get a 10-point bag real quick. We're going to get a 10-point bag real quick. Boom, let's go. She's moving quick too. I love it. 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 We are in. We are in. Let's go. Bag me. Bag me. Let's go. 2-0. 2-0, someone said. Let's go. And guess what? I'm going to play her again. I'm going to play that same fiddle. Come down into the 60s, low 60s. I'm going to play that same fiddle. 62, 61, somewhere around there. We're at 69, 68, 67. And again, right now, I'm just going strictly based off of my MT4 now. So I'm literally just watching MT4. $64. $62. Boom, I'm in. Boom, I'm in. I got 2 in. Set these. I didn't even get a chance to set these at 10 points yet. There we go. 69. And 74. All right, perfect. So I'm in. I got two trades open. Two trades open. I'm waiting for that 10-point pool. She's moving. She's moving this morning. I love it. We're on a pullback right now. Pullback right now. I'm going to open up one more right there. It's a little over leveraged, but we're flying right now. I'm going to close out too in profit. So once I get a nice pull, I will close out in profit. Let's go. Push up US30. Push up. Let's go. Get up there. Let's go. Okay. All right. So we are in 3 trades right now. We're gonna sit. We're gonna sit and wait. We're gonna sit and wait. Sit and wait. Let's pull up. Let's go. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. 3 minutes left on this candle. I am watching this trade. I don't want it to pull back really much further. Let's go. Here we go. Pulling back up. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's go. Get up there. Let's go. And guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. After these 3 trades, if I'm able to get out where my TPs are, this will be my 1% for the day, and I'm done for the day. Let's go. We're in profit. We're in profit. Let's go. Let's go. Get up there, US30. Yes, sir. We're about to be done for this session. Let's go. Get up there, US30. Get up there. Yes, sir. You already know. Let's go. If you're in, if you got in right here, you should be in profit right now. If you got in right here, you should be in profit right now. Almost even getting ready to close your trades out. Let's go. Big push up, US30. Big push up. Let's go. Get up there. Get up into the 60s, 70s. Get up there. Come on. 58, 57. Get up there. 56, 55. Little drop. We're okay. Good job, Reggie. All right, we got 48 seconds left on this candle. 48 seconds left on this candle. We are on a pullback right now. 34 seconds left on this candle. Let's go. Pull up. Come on, pull up US30. Pull up US30. Little pullback right now. Pullback of about 20 points. Good job, LaDonna. Good job. I love the in and out. Honestly, like again, I'm holding just a little bit longer. I have 2 trades that I'm opened up a little bit at 59 actually. Not too far down. So about 20-point pullback. So we're about right here. 59. Okay. So again, I just need her to come up about 20 points, and she's doing that now. So once we're done with this here, we're done with this session. Let's go. Let's go. $50. We got 9 points to come up. Come up 10 points. Come up 10 points. 20 points. Get us out. Let's go. 20-point pull. 20-point push up. 20-point push up, and we're done. There we go. Let's go. Get up there. Come on, push up. Push up. Let's go, US30. Get up there. We literally bounced off of this. We literally bounced off of this floor here, guys. We literally bounced off of this floor, and you can see it better. You can see it better right here. We literally bounced off that floor. That's what we did. Let's go. Let's go, US30. Get up there. A little pullback right now, but we're okay. We're just going to be patient. And then we're going to be done with the session. I love the in and outs, though. Perfect. And again, guys, one of the indices that you guys should definitely look at is obviously NAS. I've been thinking about obviously, kind of looking at NAS 100. I'm not big on gold just due to the fact that it's so manipulated. Gold is a manipulated currency, just because again, it's just so manipulated by the market. And so, one of the things is NAS. NAS moves very similar to NAS to US30. So again, if you can get a bag on US30, they kind of move hand in hand. So, it's definitely something that I've been looking at as far as just maybe kind of adding. But again, like I said, that's simply just due to the fact that again, I just haven't seen a lot of volume on US30 with these small candles, things like that. But again, if she continues to move the way she is like this morning, I love it. We can get in and get out just like you guys did. Do you know what I mean? And again, as you get closer to like the opening bell candle, 8:30, you can even catch you can get your bag a little bit faster because again, she's moving so fast. So again, we're on a pullback right now. We're okay. We're on a pullback right now, about 20 points. About 20 points. So my entry's at 59. We're at 37. Okay. I do have 3 trades open. We are pulling up right now. And the toughest part is just being patient, guys. You just got to be patient, And again, obviously the name, trust your trade. We have this big climb. She obviously has to pull back. So again, my threshold is 50 points. So right now we're at about 30 point pullback. I'm okay. I know where my account is. I'm still okay with my account. I'm nowhere near breaking my account. So again, like I'm okay, but obviously I don't want to deal with this pool much further down. So we will definitely get out and we'll look for something new. So we literally do have about a 30-point pull right now. Where our lowest entry is actually 64. And we're about 24 right now. So 26, 30. So about a 30-point pull on average right now. Come on, US30. Come on, pull up. Stop playing around here. I've just been literally getting caught in these pullbacks. And again, I was in profit. Again, when you leave profit on the table, this is what can happen, and you just got to wait a little bit longer for that profit. But again, I am under leveraged. I'm okay right now. I obviously don't want to see her fall anymore. Let's see if we can get a bounce off this level. If we get a bounce off this level, hopefully we can ride up. If not, I will close these out. Let's go. Push up, US30. Come on, push up. There we go. Let's go. There we go. Nice bounce. Come on, let's go. Let's climb now. Let's go. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. 2 minutes left on this candle, guys. We need a big push up. Let's go, US30. Come on, give us a big push up. Let's go. We got 1:40 left on this candle. Oh, man. You're killing me. Killing me, Smalls. You're killing me, Smalls. All right, guys, we're just being patient right now. We got 15 seconds left on this candle. If we can get this wick, come on, wick. Let's go, wick up. Let's go, big push. Big push up, let's go. Let's go, buyers. Come on. Get up there. Yes, sir. Let's go. Get up there, buyers. Let's go. Get up there. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Push up. Let's go. Rally up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. We got 4 minutes left on this candle. Four minutes left on this half-hour candle. 4 minutes left on this half-hour candle. Let's go, US30. Come on, get up there. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see what happens on this half hour. If we can break above, let's see where we break above. Let's see. We got 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left on this candle. Two minutes left on this candle. 2 minutes left on this half-hour candle. We got 1:40 left on this half-hour candle. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get up there. We got about 25 points. We're off about 25 points, guys. We're off about 25 points right now. We need a big push. We need a big push. Let's go, US30. Come on. We're off about 25 points. We got a minute left on this candle. We got a minute left on this candle. Let's go, buyers. Let's go, buyers. Come on. Let's go. Let's rally this thing up. Let's keep going. We got a good rally going to the upside. Let's go. Let's keep it going. 51 seconds left on this candle. Like I said, we're about 25 points off of our mark. We got 25 seconds left on this candle. 25 seconds left on this candle. 20 seconds left on this candle. 16, 15, 14, 13. Let's go. Let's push up. Come on, US30. See how this candle opens here? There we go. Come on, open it up green. Let's go. Get up there. Killing me, Smalls. You're killing me. All right, that was a trust your trade situation. That was some legit trust your trade situation. I did not close out of those three. We are about to be in profit. We're about to be in profit. Let's go. So we're just making some updates to YouTube right now, real quick. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. We're about to be in profit. We are in profit right now. We are in profit right now. Let's go. Let's go, US30. That's what I'm talking about. Get you a bag. Get you a bag. Get you a bag. Let's go. Let's go. Get up there, US30. Get up there, US30. Get up there. Let's go. You're gonna make us wait just a little bit longer, right? Let's go. Let's go, US30. Get up there. Let's go. Man, I hope everybody's having an amazing week. Hope everybody's having an amazing week so far. This will obviously be the last day of trading for this week. We will definitely be back on Monday. But yeah, just, again, not a bad week at all. Not a bad week at all. I think obviously, I believe it was Tuesday. We kind of just made a bad decision. That's all that it was. Because obviously, here's the deal: is you have a choice. You can either, look for the buy. Okay, you can look for the long or the short. Long, take the long end of the stick or the short end of the stick. And again, we're scalpers. There's not a right or wrong. We were obviously just waiting for the market to fall. She did not. She eventually did fall, and she did eventually correct. Um, but yeah, not on the time frame that we were anticipating. So we kind of missed that opportunity. But again, we've had a great week so far on our accounts across the board. And yeah, we had some good news from my Forex funds. Where again, if you're not trading OPM, if you're not trading OPM, if you're not trading other people's money, you're absolutely just leaving money on the table. You know what I mean? Again, it's great to definitely try to flip an account. It's great to try to, get, double your money, whatever. But at the end of the day, like if you're over leveraging, a lot of times to do so, you have to over leverage, you have to over trade. And again, there's just no perimeters. You start revenge trading, losing money. But again, if you can, use other people's money, okay, obviously, you know, you're able to then, build up your own bag and be able to trade on a bigger account. You know what I mean? That's definitely the key is OPM, other people's money. People have more resources, and again, I'm completely big on cash is king. So obviously, holding the cash up, ransom at in an account to trade on. I do have a pretty big account. I do have one account that I do trade on. That's personally my account. Um, and then obviously I do a lot of other people's money, and then I just build that other account. So um, it's really I wish I would have found OPM sooner. What I mean by OPM is obviously other people's money, prop accounts. Um, funded accounts, whatever you want to say. I trade my Forex funds. My Forex funds, they've only been around. They're pretty new. They've only been around for 3 years, but I'm telling you, just with the direction that they're going, and really, the interest that they have for the trader. Again, they just got rid of the time limit for evaluations. That's huge. And again, like you see now, tons of other prop accounts and other prop funds kind of following in that suit. So again, it's trade other people's money. I learned that a long time ago. Obviously being in real estate, using other people's money, private, doing private fundraisers, getting 0% interest credit cards to buy materials. So again, like there's using other people's money is and other people's resources. It's the same thing as if you don't know something, going out and finding someone that does, and partnering with that person, that's better at something than you are, so you can win. There's nothing wrong with winning. There we go. Let's go. Let's be done with this. Let's go. Shoot up. We got 37 cents. There we go. Let's go. That's what we wanted to see, guys. We wanted to break that 35,250. Let's go. We broke it. Let's go. Now we just got to go into profit. Two trades in profit. 2 trades in profit. Let's go. Get up there. Look for the break of this zone here. Look for the break of this zone here. I'm not worried about that. I have literally my profits on to get my bag. So we are in profit. We are in profit, guys. We are in profit. That was a trust your trade situation. Let's go. Sheesh. 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 Boom. Bam. Look at that, guys. We are about almost 1.2% on this account. Little over 1% on this account for the day. We are done. Guys, we literally had a 30-point pullback right here. We could have given up. But again, I'm not over leveraged. And so because I wasn't over leveraged, I was able to handle that pullback. And I was able to win that trade. So on this session here, we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 0. 7 and 0. 7 and 0. 7 and 0, guys. Actually, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 0. 5 and 0 on this session. I had two trades earlier last night that we got into. But that's it, guys. Let's go. My Forex is it. Yeah, my Forex funds, I'm telling you, like, they're just doing shit that nobody's doing. You know what I mean? And they're being innovative, and they're being creative, and they're really looking at, how can we get these traders, how can we get these traders on our platform, and make money for our investors. Do you know what I mean? How can we get these traders on our platform, so again, it's not about these big bags, guys. I'm telling you, it's not about these big, home run hits. Like, you know what? I'm telling you, if you just focus on little jabs, and you focus on small trades, I'm telling you, like, you'll win, and you'll be a winner, and you'll be consistent at winning. Okay? Don't be afraid of a lesson. Don't be afraid of a lesson. Lessons will happen. But again, if you can just get in and get out, very similar to what we saw today. Again, I obviously held on a little bit, not even a little bit longer. I mean, my threshold is 50 points, guys. Like, I was literally about 38, 40. I was pushing that threshold. And I think I even had one trade that was pushing it. But again, I trusted my trade. I trusted my instinct. And again, could my instinct be wrong? Absolutely. I was wrong on Tuesday. It's okay. It's okay. We're in profit for the week. And you know what profit means? Profit means a paycheck. Profit means that I get a withdrawal. You know what I mean? Profits mean withdrawals. And that's it, guys. That's what I'm saying. Like, stop trying to get the overnight, flip an account bag. Like, focus on small trades. Get in and out. And again, guys, like, you'll see that I don't even look at buy limits, sell limits, buy stops. Here's the deal. Like, I don't want these people to know where I'm getting in. Market executions in and out. Market executions in and out. I put a TP, but again, like, in most cases, I don't even do that because I'm able to monitor it. I'm in front of it. I don't need to set anything. Why? Because I'm not going anywhere. I'm right in front of it. I'm right in front of it. If she draws too far down, guess what? I'm out. If she flies up or flies down in my direction, guess what? I can close my account. I can close that trade at any time. So again, guys, like, stop rushing the process. Fall in love with the process. Be excited about this journey. And I'm telling you, gosh, you know what? There's nothing but the top. That's all that's there is just being patient. I can't tell you how amazing this skill set is, and how it can literally, we've been on this session. How long have we been on this session? An hour, and we made 1% on our money. Not 1% on someone else's money, not even my own money. So when people say, "Gosh, like, I don't have a lot of money to trade Forex," you know how much a $50,000 account is? You know how much a $100,000 account is? You know how much a $200,000 account is? I think you get a $50,000 account for $300. So rather than trying to flip that $300, like, focus on the perimeters. Don't over leverage. And again, like, take your time passing the evaluations. If it takes you 60 days, great. I'm telling you, once you have that live account, if it's $200 a day, $300 a day, thousands of dollars a day, $5,000 a day, like, I'm telling you, like, anytime that you're in profit, that's a paycheck. You know what I mean? So again, guys, I hope that this helps. I hope this brings value to you guys. San and I, we're going to have a conversation next week. I believe the second, actually, a couple weeks. And we're just going to, really just kind of talk about really, sharing our stories. And I think San's an amazing leader. And just hearing his story, kind of what he has planned for that US30 chat, what's coming up. We talk about, trust your trade, what I see on the horizon right now. Honestly, guys, obviously, my main focus is real estate, family, and trading. I enjoy just getting on and just documenting my journey with you guys. I'm not an educator. I don't do this to profit in any way, shape, or form. I just enjoy sharing my journey and just bringing information. Because again, anytime that you want to get into something, everybody has a trading course. Everybody has a something that they can sell you, and some type of course. And again, guys, like, when you're trying to do something new, there's nothing more frustrating than everybody trying to get you into a training course of some sort. You know what I mean? And so again, if I can help kind of bring some knowledge and bring value, because at the end of the day, it's really not about you know picking the right direction. It's about mindset, and I think that that's the biggest thing that I've learned in anything that I've done, and how I've won. Is it's if I want to win, I need to have the right mindset to win. I can accomplish anything if I first believe that I can, and that's the most important thing. Is again, I win because I believe in myself, and I believe that I can win, and I believe that I'm going to win, and I expect to win. Okay, all the all the technicals and all the learning the skill sets. Even if you had a bag of money and you wanted to have someone else trade for you, hey, like find someone find someone that knows more than you do, and get in their back pocket, and ask them to mentor you, and help them, ask them to give you some direction. You should definitely have a mentor. That person doesn't need to be in your same city or state. That mentor can be anywhere. You know what I mean? I have some pretty big mentors, people that I've never even met before, but that I really look up to. Gary V is one of my mentors. And I mean, he just breaks it down and keeps it so simple. When we're stressing and worrying about something, he just breaks it down so simple. And so again, I follow and listen to a lot of what he does. Been to many seminars, and um, yeah. So again, like I said, guys, I hope this brings value. I thank you guys so much for obviously just tuning in, support. We had an amazing day today, and we will jump back on Monday, and we're going to get the bag. We expect to win. So again, guys, thank you guys so much. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. Take care. God bless. See you at the top, because the bottom's too crowded. We don't look down on anyone unless we're going to reach down and we're going to lift them up. And again, believing that you can is more profitable than believing that you can't. God bless you guys. W for the win. Let's go. See you at the top. Bye bye.